Most small builders assume construction management software is only for large companies. But here's the truth no one tells you. Small builders often need organization tools even more than big construction firms. Because when you have a tiny team, every mistake hurts harder. One missed invoice, one forgotten permit, or one scheduling issue can destroy profit on an entire project. That's why many small contractors start looking at contractor foremen. But here's the problem. A lot of builders worry the software may feel too complicated, too corporate, or simply too big for small operations. In this video, I'll explain whether contractor foreman actually works for small builders, who benefits most from it, the biggest mistake small contractors make when adopting software, and whether it can realistically save time and money for growing construction businesses. And later, I'll show you the hidden reason many small builders quit construction software after only a few weeks. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the big question clearly. Yes, contractor foremen can absolutely work for small builders. In fact, many smaller contractors are exactly the type of users construction management platforms target today. Because small teams need systems desperately once projects start becoming harder to manage manually. Now imagine Jake runs a small remodeling company with 2 field workers, 1 office assistant, and several subcontractors. At first, spreadsheets and text messages seem manageable. But then, projects increase. Suddenly, documents get lost, change orders become messy, and scheduling confusion starts costing money. That's usually when builders begin searching for software solutions. Now here's where things get interesting. The biggest value for small builders is not necessarily automation. It's visibility. Knowing exactly what's happening, who owes what, which tasks are delayed, and where projects stand. That operational clarity becomes incredibly valuable. But here's the problem. This is also where many small contractors fail. They try implementing every feature immediately. That creates overwhelm fast. Now in a minute, I'll show you the smartest way small builders should approach contractor foremen without getting buried in complexity. But first, let's continue. Contractor foreman includes tools for project management, daily logs, scheduling, time tracking, financial tracking, documents, and communication workflows. For a small builder, that can either feel empowering or overwhelming depending on implementation. That distinction matters enormously. Now imagine Alex signs up and immediately activates every available feature. The office team gets confused. Field workers ignore the app. Processes become messy. The software fails. But now imagine John starts small. He only uses daily logs, task management, and scheduling during the first month. Adoption becomes easier. The team adjusts gradually. That approach works much better. Now, here's where things get interesting again. The smartest small builders treat software like a tool belt. You do not need every tool immediately. You start with the tools solving your biggest pain points first. That mindset changes everything. Now let's discuss cost because this matters hugely for small businesses. Many builders hesitate because they fear monthly software costs. And honestly, that concern is understandable. But here's the hidden reality. Disorganization already costs small builders money constantly. Miscommunication, late invoices, project delays, duplicate purchases, and scheduling errors quietly destroy profit margins. Software sometimes reduces those hidden losses dramatically. Now here's the problem. Some builders expect software alone to magically fix bad business systems. It won't. This is where most people fail again. Software improves processes. It does not replace discipline. That's an important distinction. Now let's discuss ease of use. Small builders usually need software that works quickly without extensive training departments. Contractor foreman tries offering broad functionality while remaining accessible to smaller contractors. But onboarding still matters enormously. The builders who succeed typically commit time to setup and team training early. Now here's where things get interesting. Construction businesses often resist systems until chaos becomes unavoidable. That pattern happens constantly. At first, sticky notes, calls, texts, and memory seem enough. Then, project volume grows. Suddenly the lack of systems creates stress everywhere. That's usually the turning point. Now in a minute, I'll show you the single smartest way to decide if contractor foreman fits your company. But first, let's discuss scalability. This matters a lot. Some small builders choose software not because they need every feature today, but because they want systems supporting future growth. That can be a smart move. Imagine Jay currently manages 5 projects yearly, but he wants to scale toward 15 or 20. Building systems early may prevent operational chaos later. That's where construction software becomes strategic, not just administrative. Now here's another hidden issue. Field adoption. Many construction companies struggle getting crews to consistently use digital tools. That challenge is real. The simpler your rollout process, the better adoption usually becomes. That's why gradual implementation works best for small teams. Now here's where things get interesting again. The biggest value small builders often discover is communication improvement. Not flashy dashboards. Not advanced reporting. Simple communication clarity. Knowing who said what, which tasks changed, and where projects stand. That alone can reduce huge amounts of stress. Now let's answer the practical question directly. Who benefits most from contractor foreman? Usually small builders who manage multiple jobs, coordinate subcontractors, want stronger organization, and are ready to standardize workflows. Who may struggle with it? Builders wanting zero learning curve or expecting instant business transformation without process improvements. That's the honest answer. Now let's discuss the smartest way small builders should start. Focus first on scheduling, task tracking, and communication. Master those basics before expanding into advanced workflows. Simple adoption creates better long-term success. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Yes, contractor foreman can work very well for small builders, especially companies growing beyond simple spreadsheet management. But success depends heavily on gradual implementation, team adoption, and solving real operational problems instead of activating every feature immediately. Now here's the biggest takeaway. The goal is not using more software. The goal is reducing chaos. That's the real value construction management systems provide small builders. So here's the bottom line. Contractor foreman can absolutely help small builders improve organization, communication, and project visibility in 2026. But the smartest contractors start simple. Focus on solving one operational problem at a time, and build systems gradually instead of overwhelming the team on day one. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the biggest operational challenge your construction business faces right now. And if you want, I can also break down the easiest construction software platforms for beginners next.